हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज के हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं LeetCode का प्रॉब्लम नंबर है 520। तो बेसिकली जो प्रॉब्लम का नेम है डिटेक्ट द कैपिटल। तो चलिए सबसे पहले आपको प्रॉब्लम का एक्सप्लेनेशन करते हैं, फिर उसका अप्रोच समझेंगे, फिर उसके बाद से उसका कोड लिखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन है 520 डिटेक्ट द कैपिटल। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन जो बोल रहा है, वी डिफाइन द यूजेस ऑफ कैपिटल इन अ वर्ड टू बी राइट व्हेन वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस टेस्ट केस फॉल्स। मतलब बोल रहा है कि हम वर्ड को कब डिफाइन करेंगे ट्रू, जब इनमें से कोई भी एक टेस्ट केस वो होल्ड कर रहा होगा तब। बेसिकली द प्रॉब्लम होल्ड in a one test case from these following statements or following conditions. The first condition is the all the letters in the words are capital like US. If string, we have given one string, if the string having all the characters are capital, then we need to return true. Or else all the letters are not capital like this. That means all the letters should be in a small order. Here one example, LeetCode, all the letters are in a small order. Or if the last condition is only the first letter is the word is capital like Google. That means the string start with only the capital letter. Given a string word return true if uses of capital is right. अगर इनमें से कोई भी conditions, if any one condition followed by the our strings, in that situations we need to return the true, or else we need to return the false. So basically that was our problem. Now we need to understand approach. So first of all we count all the characters. Here how many characters are in a capital or a small letter. So first of all we count the frequency of the small letter or capital letter characters. So for counting a capital letter we define int up is equal to 0. Up means upper character. Int lw is equal to 0 means first of all you define the, we have lowercase 0, uppercase 0. Now we start to counting. For counting we apply for loop for visiting the all character of the string one by one. Then here I define one character that pull the all character of the given string. If I apply one character, one conditions for checking upper letter characters. The string hold the upper letter character, then we need to increase by our upper integer. So character dot is upper in the rebuild method that I use here. So in that case, we increase our upper character. If the character is not upper, in that situations we increase our lower character. That's it. Then here I apply one conditions for checking all the characters are capital letter or not. All the first letter is capital or not. So if upper letter is equal to 0, or else if upper is equal to word dot length, then we return true only. Or other conditions we return false. So I hope you understand what the questions told. The first of all I run, then I explain you problem. One small spelling mistake. Now the problem run, all the test cases we are passed. So now time is to explain our code. So here I define two variables, integer type. First one is the UP, second one is LW. UP is basically count the uppercase character and LW basically count the lowercase character. In the given string, how much uppercase characters are available or how much lower characters are available. So here I apply for loop. and define one character. That character hold the all character of string. So here I check if our character is uppercase, then increase our uppercase, if not then lowercase. So in this problem, I apply the conditions for it true. If the UP is equal to 0, if हमारा फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर अगर 0 होता है तो 0, अगर if it's not, then the UP length means whole character of the string. Both are equal, then we return the true, or else we return the false. So basically that was our problem, and I hope you understand properly. If you have any doubt, you can comment box and you leave your comment in the comment box. I try to remove your confusions in that questions, or related to any other questions. Free to communicate with us. We basically try to connect with you and approach with you with the huge amount of problems. So today enough for our questions. Let's practice these questions.